Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rearrange items in the Safari start page on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen tap on the Safari web browser. Next, in here tap on the tabs button. Then in here tap on the add button to create a new start page. And then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the edit button. Now to rearrange items in the start page, you can touch and hold on the sidebar here on the three lines. Touch and hold and then drag it up or down like this to rearrange their order. So here if I want to rearrange series suggestions to be at the top of the list, I can move it to the top. Now after that, once you have finished, tap on the close button and you can see if the page does not show the changes, what you can do is simply close Safari. So you can see here we have suggestions, series suggestions at the top. If there is no suggestions, then it will not show, and then it will try to show the next one. So if I choose reading list to the top and close that, then reading list now should be at the top. If there is no reading list items, then it will show the next available items. And that's it. So that is how you can rearrange items in the Safari start page on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.